And welcome back to another Animal Crossing video. Today we're going to talk about how to get some swimsuits so you can go swimming in the ocean. So let's get started. So the first way to be able to get a swimsuit is to buy it from Nook's Cranny. So if you scroll on down, you'll actually see it right here, and you can purchase it for 3,000 bells. Very nice. And now we can try it on. I'm looking pretty snazzy. Nook's Cranny is closed, or you want a different type of wetsuit, the other option is to go into the Nook Shopping and go to Special Goods. So if you scroll down here, you should be able to get a different type of wetsuit, which is actually very cool, and a little bit different style. So we will place order. And there we go. So now you get different type of wetsuits, but keep in mind that this one does come in the next day in the mail. So if you want one immediately, check out Nook Shop. If you don't mind waiting a day, this shopping ABD is completely fine to do. I hope you guys enjoy diving into the ocean to go for a swim. But thanks for watching this video and have an amazing rest of your summer. Bye!